Broker Dan, 10 years na kasi kaming hiwalay na asawa ko eh. Pero hindi pa kami annulled. Gusto kong bumili ng property, pero under my name. Pwede ba yun?
Emotionally hiwalay does not mean legally hiwalay. Magkaiba yon sa mata ng batas. Actually, ang dami naming home buyers facing the same problem. So makabilang bahay na ang ex. And because of that, hirap na silang bumili ng property. The question is, meron bang exceptions? And ano yung pwede nating gawin para makabili ng property in this situation? Watch until the end to find out. Hi, I'm Broker Dan, licensed real estate broker and co-founder of Bahay Central Realty. 20 years na kami sa real estate. And our mission is matulungan kang makahanap ng tamang bahay for your family. Sa batas ng Pinas, kung legally married ka pa, pareho pa rin kayong magiging owner ng property. This is true kahit ikaw lang ang magbabayad, kahit 10 years na kayong walang communication, and kahit may kinakasama na siyang iba. Aray ko, magiging shared ownership pa rin kayo ng ex mo. But merong exceptions. Court-approved or legal separation of property, annulment or declaration of nullity of marriage, or prenup tungkol sa properties bago kayo ikasal. And paano ngayon if wala lahat yan? May ways pa rin. ECS is kausapin mo si ex and explain that yung property na to is for your kids. Number 2, pay in cash and ipangalan sa iba. Kasi bayad na yung buong property. And number 3, in-house financing. Sa in-house kasi, sa dulo yung transfer of title. This means, pwede mong kausapin yung developer na kapag fully paid na yung property, saka pa lang mamimili kung kanino ipapangalan yung title ng property. For example, sa anak mo. Mahirap ba? Actually, mas mahirap pa yan later on pag gusto mo na ibenta yung property. Kasi kailangan pang hanapin yung ex mo para pumirma. Agree ka ba na magkaroon na ng divorce sa Pinas? Please let us know at the comments below.